In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play The Sims 3 on the PlayStation 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the easiest way in which you will be able to play The Sims 3 on a PlayStation 3. So as long as you own the game on that console, you can still play it fully with any add-ons or expansions that might be available. There are no limitations, and you simply have to acquire the game if you don't own it already. So if you had previously purchased it through the PlayStation Store directly on the PlayStation 3, you just have to go over to your library and download it. But if you have never owned The Sims 3 on the console, then you will have to purchase a copy. I would highly recommend just purchasing a used physical copy. You can add funds to your PlayStation Network account and open the PlayStation Store directly on the PlayStation 3, but I don't really like this method, so I would highly recommend just getting a used copy. They can be quite cheap, and you might even be able to find them in physical stores. Some of them will go as down as even $7, as you can see here. So go over to eBay or any other retailer and look for a used copy, or you can try to purchase it in physical locations. Once you purchased any of these copies, you simply have to insert it into the CD reader on the PlayStation 3 and you will be able to play the game. No download needed. So I believe this is by far the most convenient option if you don't own the game on your account. If you want to have it digitally available, then you have to do what I mentioned. You have to go over to the PlayStation Store directly on the PlayStation 3, and you need to add funds to your account. For whatever reason, you cannot purchase games directly using a credit card anymore. You need to add funds to the account, so you can do this through a PlayStation 4, a PlayStation 5, or even the mobile app. And once your account has funds added, remove any credit cards or debit cards from it, then go over to the PlayStation Store on the PlayStation 3 and you will be able to purchase it. I hope I was able to help you on how to play The Sims 3 on PlayStation 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.